Hello friends, welcome back to the Mothership. It is the middle of summer, which means we are smoking our very own snow crab legs. Let's get started. Alright guys, this is not a traditional cook for us. This is something a little bit different. I'm just trying something new. What I have here is 2 pounds of almost defrosted snow crab clusters. You can see there's a little bit of ice on there, so they're not completely done. But what we're going to do is we're going to put them under our smoker. We're going to run them about 180 degrees until they are done, which I'm guessing will be about 45 minutes. Hopefully at that temperature we'll get a bunch of smoke flavor on here. We're going to add some water in there to keep it a humid environment. Then we're going to clarify some butter. And we're just going to see if we can actually get a good flavor of smoke on these snow crabs. So right now I'm going to get my smoker up to temperature at 180. I'm going to toss them on just like this, not completely defrosted. They've been sitting in my fridge overnight. They're not 100% frozen, but they're starting to get a little defrosted, but still pretty much frozen. So we're going to get that going, throw these on, and the most important thing is I want to see if we can actually get some good smoke flavor using a pellet grill with snow crab clusters. So let's go outside, get the smoker running, and let's see what we can do. Oakley dokley, we're at 180 degrees, guys. As you can see, I have all the crab legs up top. Underneath, I have a whole bunch of water in a pan. I'm from New England, guys. Usually we are boiling or steaming, I guess, all of our seafood, lobsters, crab, all that stuff. So I want to get this as moist as possible in there, but I do want smoke. That's the whole point of this exercise. I also have a stick of butter underneath here. The idea is to melt that butter, and then as we have heat on it, it's going to clarify, which is better for your seafood. But right now we want to run this. I'm thinking 45 minutes maybe. That should take us where we want to go. I'll let you know when we are done, but the idea is let's see if we can get some smoke on these suckers and actually taste it. So I'm going to close this, let it do its thing, and we'll come back and see how we did. Alright, well, I am crazy for thinking 45 minutes. These are mostly frozen, even though I left them out in the fridge overnight. But guys, when we're cooking anything, it's all about temperature and time. So the legs, you want to be 145 degrees if you're just cooking them really fast. But realistically, guys, about 125, because these are pre-cooked for the most of the body, especially if you have it for like 10 minutes. That's definitely going to be good. These legs are 145. The bodies are 125. Everything is good to go. An hour and a half at 180 degrees, is perfect. Our butter right here looks really good and clarified. I'm ready to take these inside. Everything is really dark. It's super hot right now. Let's go inside. Let's crack them open and see if we can taste any smoke and if it's worth actually doing your crab legs on your pellet smoker. Alright, well, timing did not work out the way I thought it would. I was thinking 45 minutes on these, but they're pretty much mostly frozen on the inside, which means I didn't defrost them as much as I wanted to. I think if they're completely defrosted, 45 minutes might do it, but for me it was about an hour and a half, which, if you're running at 180 degrees like I did, makes sense. If you're running at a hotter temperature, obviously adjust, but what matters here, these are done. Let's crack them open, and let's see if we can taste some smoke. Because honestly, you can steam these suckers in like, I don't know, 20 minutes. So if you're going to run for an hour and a half, it has to be worth having the smoke flavor. So we're going to use our handy dandy cruncher here. I'm going to break a claw in half because as New Englander, claw is the best meat. Don't care what you say. Oof, I'm going to pull this one out of here. That looks really good. So without any butter, let's give it the old-fashioned chomp. Now, I am a little bit astounded. I did not think we would actually have that flavor on there, but you know what? Running them in the smoker, you can taste smoke, guys. It adds a different level of flavor, which I'm not sure I've ever really had for shellfish like this. Oh, it's smoky. It's delightful. Now, guys, when it comes to shellfish, you can definitely over-smoke. Honestly, this is not there. This is a really, really good level of smoke, and it does add flavor. It's like a couple months ago, I guess a couple weeks ago. I don't really remember when I did it. It was probably months ago. I did pineapple. And pineapple is really, really good on the smoker, but it absorbs smoke really, really easily. And shellfish is really not as much, but pretty similar to that. Even though it has a shell on there, it absorbs smoke pretty heavily. So you need to be careful not over smoke. You need to use less harsher wood, especially if you're doing on an offset or a Weber kettle. Use like a lighter wood, like an apple wood. Don't use like oak, basically. On your pellet smoker, you'll probably be okay. These definitely have a decent amount of smoke on them. You can definitely taste it, and I like it. I'm really excited to eat the rest of this. This is the first time I've actually smoked crab legs. and I'm definitely going to do it again. We have a decent amount of clarified butter. It's not 100% clarified. You can tell because there is a lot on the top there. You can see the differential. Maybe not on the camera, but this butter is 60% there. If we let this run for another 2 hours, 100% we'd have clarified butter, which is what you should have on lobster. Trust me, I'm from New England. I know what I'm talking about. But this will be really good on our crab legs. And I'm super excited to eat the rest of these. I think this is probably a win, guys. I might keep doing this in the future. Boiling is super easy. And by boiling, I mean steaming. You're steaming them for like 15 minutes and they're done. This is really, really good, especially if you like smoke, which if you're watching this channel, you like smoke. But the most important thing, guys, I'd love to know what you guys are doing down below. Do you cook your crab legs in your smoker, oven, steam them, boil them? Love to know what you guys are doing. Don't give me advice on how to cook lobster or any of the shellfish that we have in the Northeast because we're probably doing it better. It's the only flex I have, guys. We don't cook barbecue up there. But most importantly, though, please let me know what you're doing down below, whether it's chicken wings, barbecue, anything. Love to hear what you guys are doing. And I'll catch you on the next UFO barbecue. Bye-bye.